In today's video, we're diving into a remarkable opportunity that allows you to earn money while doing something you likely already enjoy: watching YouTube videos. For every video you watch, you can earn 61 cents for that video, 32 cents for this one, 47 cents for the third, and so forth. But wait, there's more. By utilizing the ingenious technique we're about to reveal, you can potentially earn a jaw-dropping 2.88 cents every single minute you spend indulging in YouTube content. The best part? This method is globally accessible and works in all countries, from the United States to Canada, the United Kingdom, India, Germany, the Philippines, and beyond. Sound good? Then let's dive into the details. Step 1. Earning by watching YouTube videos online. Are you ready to unlock this treasure trove of earnings? The journey begins by visiting a website designed to reward you for watching YouTube videos online. While I'll reveal the name of this website shortly, let's take a closer look at how it operates. By engaging with commercial ads, YouTube videos, movies, and TV content, you accumulate earnings. And that's not all. You can supercharge your income by referring others. Every individual who signs up through your unique link earns you a cool dollar. Once your earnings surpass a certain threshold, you can conveniently transfer the funds to your preferred withdrawal method, whether it's your bank account, PayPal, or other options. Navigating the website, Winthub.com now. Allow me to introduce you to the platform that holds the key to your earning potential, Winthub.com. With over 6,500 partner brands, this platform offers a ton of videos across various categories, ensuring a continuous flow of content to engage with. Let's walk through the sign-up process, shall we? Sign up and start earning. To embark on this income-generating journey, click on the enticing Sign Up button. Provide your essential details, including your first and last name, birthday, gender, email address, and password. A simple CAPTCHA verification seals the deal, and voila! You've just taken your first step toward financial empowerment. Oh, and did I mention the cherry on top? As a welcome gesture, you receive a $5 sign-up bonus. Impressive, right? Earning process. I will give you a step-by-step guide for that. It's time to delve into the heart of the matter: how to make those precious cents by watching videos. Within the platform's user-friendly interface, you'll find a selection of 5 videos on the left-hand side. Each video rewards you with a designated sum upon completion. Let's say you tackle the first video, earning a well-deserved 61 cents. Simply press play, sit back, and watch. Be prepared for a brief ad interruption, which you can swiftly close. Once the video nears the 34-second mark, click on the Complete button beneath it. Another ad may pop up. Just close it and hit Complete again. The screen will triumphantly display a successfully completed message. A quick refresh later, and your earnings reflect your accomplishment. Multiply your earnings. The account creation strategy ready to turbocharge your earnings? Buckle up for a genius technique: creating multiple accounts. By crafting additional accounts, up to 10 for example, you can capitalize on each one's earning potential. Imagine the collective revenue from multiple accounts. The possibilities are exhilarating. Unveiling the email variation hack. Curious about how to navigate the account creation process? Fear not. I've got a nifty trick up my sleeve. Suppose your primary email address is trilliondollarclub@gmail.com. By simply adding a dot anywhere within the address, $1,000,000dollarclub@gmail.com, the system recognizes it as a unique email. The icing on the cake? All emails sent to the variation will redirect to your original inbox. That's the marvel of Google's email system in action. Elevate your earnings to $600 a day. Are you yearning to amplify your earnings even further? Prepare to discover a bonus technique that could potentially lead to an astonishing $600 in daily passive income. Sounds good for you? Then keep watching. The power of Facebook groups. Enter the dynamic world of Facebook groups focused on making money online. A simple search for Make Money Online reveals a treasure trove of public groups with like-minded individuals seeking income opportunities. Join these groups and strategically create engaging posts showcasing your earnings. By sharing your experience and encouraging others to sign up through your referral link, you open the door to an exponential surge in earnings. Crafting the perfect Facebook post. Crafting an attention-grabbing post is key to enticing potential referrals. Showcase your success by sharing your earnings and payment proof. A simple yet captivating post can resonate with a wide audience, leading to an influx of referrals. A path to financial freedom. As you consistently apply these strategies, you'll witness your earnings grow exponentially. Accumulating 20 to 30 referrals daily can swiftly translate to a substantial monthly income. The power to earn lies in your hands. Capitalize on it wisely. Effortless withdrawal. So you've earned a substantial sum. Now what? Withdrawing your earnings is a breeze. Hover over My Account, select Withdraw, and choose your preferred withdrawal method: Western Union, PayPal, WebMoney, or Payoneer. Simply meet the minimum threshold, initiate the withdrawal process, and watch your hard-earned funds materialize in your chosen account. Congratulations for uncovering these invaluable strategies to make money while watching your favorite YouTube videos. Armed with the knowledge of strategic video watching, account creation, and Facebook group engagement, you are equipped to embark on a journey toward financial empowerment. Remember, each minute spent watching videos holds the potential to boost your earnings. So dive into the world of Winthub.com. Harness the power of Facebook groups and pave your way to a remarkable $600 a day in income. Don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy earning!